Hey everyone, in this video we're going to make beautiful designs using wires. First we're going to bend this wire. Here we are going to give it a feather shape. So after bending it, we're going to put it inside this another wire and roll it. Now for more decoration, we are putting these colorful beads on the top of it. We're also pasting these beads and crystals around it using hot glue gun, and look, it is ready. Let's make beautiful design using these thin wire. If you have old wires at your home, you can also remove this copper wire from it. You don't have to buy it from market. Now start twisting it. It is easy to twist this way. You can easily do it using your fingers. We are going to make these beautiful petal designs like this, and here we are making a peacock bird, so the feathers are ready. Now we are also making the body of the peacock like this. Similar way you can make more such feathers and combine all of them together, and look, it is ready. You can use it in various ways like keychain and decoration piece. We're going to make this beautiful butterfly using wire and beautiful pearls and beads. We're going to make the wings by putting these white pearls inside the wire, and twist it, and your wings are ready. You can also add more decorations like this, add more decor pieces and make the antennas. Twist the wire like this. Your butterfly is ready. You can make many designs using this. In this video, we're going to use this drill machine. So put this wire inside it. Now we're going to on the machine, but you have to be very careful while using it. Now put the beads inside the wire. It will give this beautiful design. You can also put it on the butterflies for the antennas, or you can also use them for various other craft work, and you can also make the butterflies for hair accessories, and it's done. We're going to make flower design using this copper wire. Here we are going to use this blue copper wire and roll all of them, and your flower is ready. Now cut it. After this, we're going to make more such flowers. You can use it for the hair accessories, like we are putting it on this clip like this, and we are adding a frill at the center of it. Put a bead and put it on this hair accessory, and look, it is ready. You can also put it inside a hair clip as well. In this video, we're going to make flowers using copper wire. We are combining 3 wires together and roll like this and make mini circles. We are going to give it a shape of this triangle. Similar way, we are going to make 3 more circles and triangles, and your flower petal is ready. And cut the wire. Now you can use it for various purpose like hair accessories or rings. We're going to use this copper wire and make a beautiful design out of it. So roll this wire on this object. It will give this zigzag design to the wire. Now we're going to press all of them and put this wire like this. Now we're going to press it and make a feather like design, and we're also folding all the wire together like this, and look, it's done. Now we are going to add more decoration like these colorful pearls, beads on the top of it, and look, it is ready. You can use it for various purpose like hair clips and many more. Thank you so much for watching this video.